Bien, amigos, welcome, friends. Race. To the Rainforest race? Great! Look, it's the Rainforest race. There's Leopard, Grizzly Bear, Orange Team. Look, that's a book. In a favorite forest race. And the leopard, a grizzly bear. Let's call the book. Say, hey book. Hey book, hola mi Delga. That's right, book. You have a race. Great, thank you. On a team. There are animals. Okay, teams. Tall Mountain, Rainforest, the river. Winds. School. Yay! Time to start the race. Ready, set, go! We went to the mountains. There are bears, orangutans, or leopard. Look, there go. What kind of book? The fairy journal. Hey, look, there's a book on the run. We need your help. Run. Now put it about it. Run. Run faster. Run. Good running, gracias. And the two main places, the rainforest. School, come on, help me. Ooh, hey, that's a Orangeton trouble. Put your head up, it's an Orangeton. Do you see Orangeton Team? No. Yeah, there's she's Orangeton Team. Come on, let's go Orangeton. Take a hold. Just fun. Say rescue. Say just fun. Yo, rescue pack. Diego says something. I turned a rope. Come on. Now the pool already. What do you do about it? A pool. Learn the pool. Yeah, you is already. We saved me. Thank you. This Orangeton. Come on. They're bears, orangutans, or leopards. Come on. Look, Diego. Come on, let's run. Put your head on. Yeah, you were Go on, gracias. Come on. We made the big river. They're leopards, bears, orangutans. Diego, look, what about me? Hey, it's Mr. Bear. Come on, let's count the grizzly bears. 1, 2, 3. 10 bears. Grizzly bear. Yummy. Thanks, Mr. Bear. Gracias, oso. Almost in a fish life. Come on, say it with me. Run. Come on, Sammy. Run. Meow, book. Yeah, gracias. Yay. Oh, they're fast and strong. Then swim. Felicitas. So no. Oh, guess swimming. 1 for orangutan, 1 for grizzly bear, and 1 a leopard. School. Yeah. Oh, yay. We ain't getting to the school. Yes, let's go. Yay. Yeah, man. Yeah, going. Win. Gracias. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. Team. See you soon.